माया कल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is अर्थापत्ति?
उपपाद्य ज्ञानेन उपपादक ज्ञानम अर्थापत्ति।
उपपाद्य ज्ञानेन उपपादक
ज्ञानम
उपपादक कल्पना। In दृष्टांत what is upapadaka?
रात्रि भोजन
is upapadaka. What is upapadya?
Pinatva.
In the ashtanta what is akshepya?
मिथ्यात्व
Mithyatva. In Darshtanta, what is Upapadaka?
मिथ्यात्व
Mithyatva. Upapadaka is Mithyatva. In Darshtanta, what is Akshepaka? Dridrishya Sambandha or Drishyatva, both. And what is Upapadaka in Darshtanta?
Dridrishya Sambandha.
Upapadaka is
Mithyatva. Upapadya is
दृग्दृश्य
Sambandha. So those who are not able to answer questions, I'm assuming they have prepared this. Okay. See the text, page number 330. According to Purvapaksha, Dridrishya Sambandha is not possible. Tattvika Sambandha. And therefore there is no Sambandha. And if you accept the Sambandha, that means Drishya is Satya. This is what Purvapakshi feels. If you accept Sambandha with Drishya, Sambandha is only possible if Drishya is Satya. See the third line. Na drag adhina siddhikatvam drag vishayatva atiriktasya tasya siddhehe. What is the meaning of that? The Purvapakshi will say. Na drag adhina siddhikatvam. What does that mean?
ज्ञानम
Jnanam, what?
Drishya is not depending on Druk.
Correct. दृक् अधीन सिद्धिकत्वं कस्य न
दृश्यत्वस्
दृश्यस्य 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 दृक् अधीन सिद्धिकत्वं न कस्मात् दृग्विषयत्व अतिरिक्तस्य तस्य असिद्धेः दृग्विषयत्व अतिरिक्तस्य तस्य दृश्यस्य असिद्धेः. So what Purvapakshi is saying is, Drishya need not be dependent on Drashta. Drashta adhina drishyasya siddhi is not true according to Purvapakshi. Why? Because Drik Vishayatva Atiriktasya, other than Drik Vishayatva Sambandha, this Drik Adhina Siddhi Sambandha is not true for Purvapakshi. Why it is true for Siddhanti? Because Siddhanti says all Jada Drishya is Adhyastha in Chaitanya. And Jnanadhina Jnaya Siddhi, I had mentioned this last time. All Jnaya Siddhi is only based on Jnana, according to Vedanti. If there is Drishya, it is Adhyastha in Jnanam. Without Jnanam, the Siddhi of Drishya cannot happen. So that Sakshi will prove that the object is unknown or known. Ajnato, Ajnata, Jnatova. Na Antyaha. See further, one more sentence. Na Antyaha Sattve api Uktaritya Sambandhantarenaiva Drishyattvasya Upapannataya Anupapattehe Anupapatter eva abhavat iti. Sattve api. If the Anukula Tarka, Antya means any Anukula Tarka is the objection. Purvapakshi had said,
सत्यत्वे दृश्यत्वं न स्यात्
iti Anukula Tarka Matra. Kim va Satyatve Drishyatvam na syad iti Anukula Tarka Matra. This is the Vikalpa. Satyatve Drishyatvam na syad. If the Vishaya is Satya, it will not become Drishya. Satyatve Drishyatvam na syad. Yasmat Drishya. Tasmat na Satya. Satyatve Drishyatvam na. Drishyatve Satyatvam na. In this way you think. Sattve api Uktaritya. Purvapakshi says, I will make it possible. Sattve api Uktaritya Sambandhantarena eva Drishyattvasya Upapannataya. Even if Drishya is Satya, Sambandhantarena eva Drishyattvasya Upapanna. Sambandhantarena means Uktaritya. Uktaritya means Drig Vishayatva. Drig Vishayatva Sambandha is possible. And therefore, Drishyattvasya Upapannataya, Drishyatva can be there and it can be Satya. Anupapattehe eva abhavat. So, Anupapatti abhava means Upapatti is there. Means we can make it work. It will work out. Iti chet na. Anukula tarkasyaiva prakrantatvena arthapattir va इत्यादि विकल्प अनवकाशात. Purvapakshi had created two vikalpa, Arthapatti or Anukula Tarka. Siddhanti says topic is of Anumana Pramana. In Anumana Pramana, we will do only Anukula Tarka. Where is the question of Arthapatti? Anukula Tarkasya eva Prakrantatvena. Prakranta means Upakrama is of Anukula Tarka only. So Arthapattir va ityadi vikalpana vikalpa anavakasha, and therefore arthapatti va, you created this vikalpa, whether it is arthapatti, there is no avakasha for this vikalpa. This is what Siddhanti says first. Then he says, Ubhayadhapi adoshacha. But both ways we can explain. Anukula tarka also, arthapatti also. So there is no dosha. Tathahi. Now he starts explaining. Satyatve drisya sambandha anupapattihi. दृग्दृश्य संबंध अनुपपत्ति. So if drishya is satya, then dृग्दृश्य संबंध will not be there. मिथ्यात्वं च तद उपादकम. According to Siddhanti, drishya, if it is satya, dृग्दृश्य संबंध will not be there. And mithyatvam is its upapadakam. Mithyatva upapadakatva should be there in akshepya or akshepaka.
Akshepya.
That which is akshepya will have the upapadakatvam also. Like that which is nilo ghataha, it will have ghatatva, it will also have nilatva. So mithyatvam is upapadakam of dृग्दृश्य sambandha. Dृग्दृश्य sambandha will happen only when there is mithyatva. And drishyatva, because it is there, or dृग्दृश्य sambandha, both. Either you say dृग्दृश्य sambandha or drishyatva. Because dृग्दृश्य sambandha is there, therefore I am doing mithyatva kalpana. Just as because pinatva is there, I am doing ratri bhojana kalpana. Nacha tat sambandha pratikulam. Nacha tat sambandha pratikulam. So what it says is, Purvapakshi had said mithyatvam is pratikula for sambandha. You remember he said earlier? On the previous page, last line. Pratyuta pratikulam eva. He said mithyatvam na akshepakasya sambandhasya upapadakam. Pratyuta pratikulam eva. So we say no. Mithyatvam is upapadakam for the dृग्दृश्य sambandha. Dृग्दृश्य sambandha is akshepya. Akshepaka. मिथ्यात्वे अपि शुक्ति रूप्यस्य इदम अंशे अध्यस्तत्व रूप संबंध दर्शनेन संबंध सामान्य प्रतिकूलत्व अभावात्. मिथ्यात्वे अपि, if there is mithyatva will be where? In drishyatva. Mithyatva will be in drishyatva. Mithyatva api shukti rupyasya idam amshe adhyastatva rupa sambandha darshanena. Shukti rupya is satya or mithya?
Mithya.
Vidya.
Shukti Rupya and Idam Amsha of Shukti. Does it have Sambandha?
Adhyasi.
The answer should be yes, it has Sambandha. What is the Sambandha? Adhyasika. Shukti Rupyasya Idam Amshe Adhyastatva Rupa Sambandha Darshanena. So what is Siddhanti trying to show? Siddhanti is saying that you can have one Satya Vastu, one Mithya Vastu. Mithya Vastu can be Adhyastha in Satya. Drik is Satya, Drishya is Mithya, Mithya is Adhyastha in Drishya. Just like Idam Amsha of Shukti and Shukti Rupya. Shukti Rupya is Adhyastha in Idam Amsha. Adhyastatva Rupa Sambandha Darshanena Sambandha Samanya Pratikulatva Abhavat. Because of the Sambandha Samanya, there is no Pratikulatva. It is Anukula. Akshepakopi Drik Vishayatva Rupo Drik Sambandha. Akshepakopi Drik Vishayatva Rupo Drik Sambandha Eva. Adhyasa Rupasya Drik Vishayatvasya Mamapi Sampratipatte. Akshepaka. What is the Akshepaka?
Drigdrishya Sambandha.
Drik Drishya Sambandha
Akshepaka
is given in that line. Drik Vishayatva Rupo Drik Sambandha. Drik Sambandha means Drik Drishya Sambandha or Drishyatva. Akshepakopi. Why am I saying both? Can you tell me? A very difficult question. Drik Drishya Sambandha has Drishyatva or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
That's it is also Drishya. So Drik Vishayatva Rupo Drik Sambandha. Drik Sambandha also will become Vishaya of Drashta. When it becomes Vishaya of Drashta, means it is Drishya. Means you should be able to think something more than whatever I say. Whatever I say, that much you should understand for sure. But you should be able to think little more also, that if Drik Drishya Sambandha is Drishya, because Drishyatva is in there, Sambandha also. Other than Brahma, everything has Drishyatva. Akshepakopi Drik Vishayatva Rupo Drik Sambandha eva Adhyasa Rupasya Drik Vishayatvasya. So just as between Shukti Rupya and Idam Amsha of Shukti, there is Adhyasika Sambandha. Adhyasa Rupa Sambandha is possible between Drashta and Drik Vishaya. Adhyasa Rupasya Drik Vishayatvasya Mamapi Sampratipadnatvat. Sampratipatte. I also accept that Sambandha. Means in our matam, this will work. Then what are we negating? Tatvikasya eva tasya nishedha. Tatvikasya eva tasya sambandhasya. Tatvika sambandha is what we are denying. Tatvika sambandha between drashta and drishya. Mithya sambandha is there. Mithya sambandha we don't deny. न च अध्यस्तत्वस्य अद्य अपि असिद्धिः दृक्संबंध सामान्यस्य आक्षेपकस्य प्रसक्त विशेष निषेधे अपि अध्यस्तत्व रूप विशेष पर्यवसानेन असिद्धि अभावात्. आफ्टर न च अध्यस्तत्वस्य अद्य अपि असिद्धिः, you can put comma. Purva Pakshi will say, you are saying the sambandha between drashta and drishya is adhyasika. But drishya is adhyastha in drashta, that is not proved yet. Adhyastatvasya adya api asiddhihi. Still it is not proved that it is adhyastha. If drishya is not adhyastha, sambandha will not be adhyasika. Siddhanti, here it is not given, in another tika it is given. Siddhanti's argument will be, so it is not adhyastha, that is also not siddham. If adhyastatva is not siddham, anadhyastatva is also not siddham. If Purva Paksha says Jagat is mithya is not siddham, Siddhanti will say Jagat is satyam is also not siddham. You have been assuming it is siddham, and therefore you are putting all your arguments. We say it is mithya. You have to prove otherwise to us. Drik sambandha samanyasya akshepakasya prasakta vishesha nishedhe api. Drik sambandha samanyasya akshepakasya. This is akshepaka, drik sambandha. Akshepakasya prasakta vishesha nishedhe api. Prasakta vishesha nishedha means Visheshata is negated, but adhyastatva rupa vishesha paryavasanena asiddhi abhavat. Can elaborate a little more? What is the akshepaka according to Siddhanti? Siddhanti says that Drik sambandha samanyasya akshepakasya. Drik sambandha samanya is akshepaka. Means some sambandha of drashta and drishya is akshepaka. Adhyasika sambandha of drashta and drishya is not akshepaka. Adhyasika sambandha is what we are proving, is what we are concluding. We say some sambandha is there. Then we are checking what sambandha is possible. And then where will it end up? So between them is Sanyoga sambandha is there, is Samvaya sambandha is there, Swarupa sambandha is there. Like that, when we think, we say other sambandhas are not possible, therefore it will be adhyasika. So Drik sambandha samanya is akshepaka, not Drik sambandha adhyasika is akshepaka. So akshepakasya prasakta vishesha nishedhe api adhyastatva rupa vishesha. Then we culminate this in adhyastatva rupa vishesha. And what we are negating is तात्विक रूप दृग विषयत्व. So he says prasakta vishesha nisheda. Prasakta vishesha nisheda means tatvik drig vishayatva rupa is nishida. When tatvika is removed, then what is the paryavasanam, where it will culminate? Adhyastatva rupa vishesha paryavasanena asiddhi abhavat. Asiddhi abhavat means siddhi bhavet. Siddhi will happen. Nahi adhyastha sambandhatvena akshepakata, kintu sambandhatvena, he clarifies. Akshepakata is not because it is adhyastha sambandha, because there is sambandha. Sambandhatvena akshepakata. Such a adhyastatva sambandha sambhavanaya api abadita eva. If sambandha is there, in that sambandha only another visheshana comes. It is adhyasika sambandha. So adhyastatva sambandha sambhavanaya api abadita eva. It is abadita only. Adhyastatva sambandha sambhavanaya api abadita eva. Nacha ghatasya jnanam. Now, so one point is over. Next point. Purvapaksha says ghatasya jnanam iti dhi siddha sambandha samanyasyapi adhyastatvam na visheshaha. He says you are saying sambandha samanya is there and then sambandha vishesha comes in the form of adhyastatva. Ghatasya jnanam. In this, dhi sambandha samanya is there. Ghatasya jnanam. Jnanam is ghatakara vritti jnanam and ghata. Sambandha samanya is there, where ghata is not adhyastha in ghatasya jnanam. Adhyastatvam na visheshaha. Adhyastatvam is not there. Nahi rupyasya shuktihi. Because if you say ghatasya jnanam, rupyasya shuktihi. We never use such expression, rupyasya shuktihi. If you are saying Rupya is adhyastha in Shukti, then the expression would become Rupyasya Shuktihi. Ghatasya Jnanam. Jnanam is where Ghata is adhyastha, but it is not like that. Iti nacha vachyam, Siddhanti says. Rupyasya Shuktihi, such expression we may not give. Rupyasya shuktihi iti pratiti abhave api rupyasya shuktihi adhishthanam iti pratitya. This pratiti will be there. Rupyasya shuktihi adhishthanam. Rupyasya shuktihi, this much is not there, but rupyasya shuktihi adhishthanam, such pratiti is there. Pratitya adhyastat. So sambandha. What is he pointing out? Ghatasya jnanam. What is the vibhakti?
Shashti.
What is Shashti vibhakti for?
Sambandha.
Sambandha. That is what he is showing. Between Ghata and Jnanam. Jnanam is where Ghata is adhyastha, is not true. So there is a vastavik sambandha. Shukti hi rupyasya shukti hi. Sambandha is not there, Purvapakshi says. Siddhanti says rupyasya shukti hi adhishthanam. Shashti is still there. So sambandha is there, adhyastatva sambandha. So sambandha visheshatvasya siddhehe. Chaitrasya maitra. Such pratiti is not there. How there is sambandha between Chaitra and Maitra? If Purvapakshi will ask, Siddhanti says, pratiti abhave api Maitrasya pita, Chaitrasya pita Maitra. Iti pratiti is there. Chaitrasya Maitra pita. Chaitrasya pita Maitra. So Shashti is there, sambandha is there. Now, before we proceed, just think about that Ghatasya Jnanam. in ghatasya jnanam, according to Purvapaksha, in ghata jnanam, ghata is not adhyastha. So what Siddhanti will say, in ghatasya jnanam, that jnanam aspect has Chaitanya and ghata. Ghata becomes upadhi. And jnanam as Chaitanya, which is not different from adhishthana chaitanyam of ghata. In that adhishthana chaitanya, ghata is adhyastha. We saw this in Vedanta Paribhasha. All padarthas, all vishayas are adhyastha in
Chaitanya.
Brahma. We saw this in the last session. Everything is adhyastha in Brahma. Chaitrasya pita maitra iti pratitivat. आक्षेप्यम अपि अत्र प्रमाण अविरुद्धम एव अध्यक्षादि विरोधस्य प्राग एव परिहृतत्वात्. आक्षेप्यम अपि, what is आक्षेप्यम? Is praman. This is also required. There were two conditions. If you remember, in the beginning they were said. One is
आक्षेप्यस्य उपपादकं प्रमाण
Pramana Viruddha.
upapadakatva, and second is pramana
Viruddha.
aviruddha.
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 Pramana aviruddha. Pramana viruddhatva means if I have seen Devadatta every night and he does not eat, then I cannot do arthapatti that because he is fat, therefore he must be eating at night, because there is pramana virodha that he is not eating every night. I am always there. So pramana avirodha is required. So akshepyasya upapadakatvam was first, pramana aviruddhatvam is second. This pramana aviruddhatvam, Siddhanti has actually dealt with in detail earlier. आक्षेप्यम अपि अत्र प्रमाण अविरुद्धम अध्यक्षादि विरोधस्य प्राग एव परिहृतत्वात्. Earlier itself we have eliminated. What? Adhyakshadi virodha. What is adhyaksha?
प्रत्यक्ष
Pratyaksha. Pratyakshadi praman virodha. Like ghata sun. When it was said ghata sun, that was a pratyaksha one. Then Anumana Pramana Virodha was shown by Purvapakshi that Jagat is Satyam. Purvapakshi had done so many Anumanams to prove Jagat is Satyam. And Agama Pramana was used, Vishwam Satyam, the Shruti was used to prove Jagat is Satyam. So Adhyakshadi Virodhasya Prag eva Parihritatvat. All this was dealt with earlier itself. And akshepaka should be satya. It should have prama is also not necessary. Akshepake cha pramitatvam anapekshitam eva. Akshepaka should be pramita, means there should be prama regarding akshepaka is anapekshitam eva, is not required. Why? Apramitenapi pratibimbena bimbakshe bimba akshepa darshanat. Akshepa darshanat is one shabda. Apramitenapi pratibimba. Pratibimba is mithya, but in mithya pratibimba, in the adarsha, bimba akshepa is done. And I can use it for vyavahara. So like that, this jagat can be mithya and still drigdrishya sambandha can be mithya and still it can do pratipadanam of the akshepya. So akshepaka drigdrishya sambandha need not be satya, and still I can say it can prove, means drigdrishya sambandha is possible even if it is mithya. Mithya vastu can be used for gaining the satya jnana. Further, tarka paratayam api na aprayojakata. If you take it as anukula tarka, all this was explained using arthapatti. Even if you take tarka, anukula tarka paratayam api na aprayojakata, it is not aprayojaka. Means hetu is not aprayojaka. In other words, hetu will do sadhya siddhi. सत्यत्वे संबंधानुपपत्तेर भवद उक्त न्याय खंडनेन प्रथमत एव उपपादितत्वात्. सत्यत्वे संबंध अनुपपत्तेः, पूर्वपक्षी said that if it is satya, sambandha is not possible. Sambandha anupapattir bhavad ukta nyaya khandanena prathamatah eva upapaditatvat. So that we started today's session with this only. It is not necessary that drishya should be satya for sambandha to be there. Drishyatva abhavasya apadaka matra sattvam anirvachyatva abhavo va trikala abhadyam va. Drishyatva abhavasya apadaka matra sattvam. Drishyatva abhava.
Is it
So,
matra or apadakam atra, Swamiji?
what is that?
Apadakam atra or apadaka matra?
Apadaka matra should be there.
Here atra is there.
Apadaka, ek minute. Atra here, drishyatva abhavasya apadakam. Apadakam atra. Drishyatva abhavasya apadakam atra sattvam. Siddhanti is asking Purvapaksha. You said drishyatva abhava, its apadakam is sattvam, means satyatvam. In other words, if satyatva is there, then drishyatva will be there. According to Siddhanti, Satyatva, even if it is not there, Drishyatva can be there. Drishyatva abhava tasya apadakam is Sattvam. So, according to Purvapaksha, Prapancha Satyatve Drishyatvam na syat. Siddhanti will say, if Prapancha was Satya, it would not be Drishya. Because it is Drishya, therefore it is Mithya. So, Drishyatva abhavasya apadakam atra sattvam. This satyam is anirvachyatva abhavo va trikala abhadyatva. Two vikalpas are done. Anirvachyatva abhav. Anirvachya means mithya. Mithyatva abhava is sattvam or trikala abhadyatvam sattvam. Purvapakshi, if he asks, Siddhanti will say ubhayathapi na dosha. So vikalpas, anybody can do. Siddhanti can show the vikalpa that either way we are okay, or Purvapakshi is putting the vikalpa. Nacha anirvachyatva abhavasya tuchhe parokshadhi vedyataya drishye api sattvena vyabhicharaha. Anirvachyatva abhava is satyatva. Anirvachya means Jagrat is anirvachaniya, Swapna is anirvachaniya, Brahma is anirvachaniya abhava. Only thing remaining is Tuchya. And Trikala Abhadyatvam Sattvam is direct. Nacha anirvachyatva abhavasya tuchhe parokshadhi vedyataya drishye api sattvena vyabhicharaha. Purvapakshi says, if you say anirvachyatva abhava, Lakshana will go in Tuchha also. Tuchha is not Mithya. So it has anirvachaniyatva abhava, but it is not Brahma. And it is parokshadhi vedya. Parokshadhi vedyatra means, if somebody uses the shabda Vandhyaputro Nasti, Vandhyaputro Nasti, is a Shabda Jnanam, it is Paroksha Jnanam, and it will become Drishya. Drishya api Sattvena Vyabhichara, but it is neither, it is not Anirvachyatva Abhava as Sattva. It is Anirvachyatva Abhava as Tuchham. Sattvena Vyabhichara. Siddhanti said, na. Karana Samarthyena Tatra Tadakara Vritti Samullase api Drik Sambandha Rupasya Drishyattvasya Tuchhatva Virodhinas Tatra Abhavat. Karana Asamarthyena. Karana means the Shabda. Shabda Jnanam which is taking place. It doesn't have the ability to make that Vandhyaputra as Vishaya of Drashta. Mimamsakas, they say that if Shabda is there, Shabda Jnanam will take place. Yoga Darshan also says 5 vrittis, Pancha Vrittaya, they say. In that there is one, last one is called Vikalpa. Shabda Jnana Anupati Vastu Shunya Vikalpa. Vastu Shunya. Vastu is not there, but Vikalpa Vritti will be there. So that's why it is given Tadakara Vritti Samullasepi. Even if that Vritti arises, oh yes, Mithya Vandhyaputro Nasti. So Vritti will come, in that Vandhyaputra Drishyatvam will not be there. Drik Sambandha Rupasya Drishyattvasya Tuchhatva Virodhina Tatra Bhavat. Tuchhatva Virodhina Tatra Bhavat. So they are not there. Tuchhakarataya Vritti Gatatve api. Tuchhakarata is there in the Vritti. Vritti Gata. Vritti Gatatve api. Vritti Sambandhasya Tuchha Gatatva Abhava Upapatte. Vritti Sambandha is not there. means it will not become drishya. What will not become drishya? What are we discussing?
वंद्य पुत्र नष्ट
तुच्छ वस्तु वंध्यापुत्र is not going to become drishya. तुच्छगतत्व अभाव उपपत्ति. And napi, that part we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.